I want to talk today about front end alignment. I've talked about this before, and I've mentioned laser alignment and how it's not really a wise investment because it's basically a tape measure. I bought this system on eBay. I think I paid, I'd have to think. I was thinking $39 for the whole thing. It comes with the plates, and it comes with 2 tape measures. And it actually works out pretty good. It's designed to be on the floor, so you don't really have to do any extra securing. It just basically leans against the rim. I actually added these bungee cords, which hold it against the wheel because I'm up in the air like this. The other thing I could do is I could throw maybe a piece of 1/4-inch plywood or a couple metal strips under the wheel and then set the plate on top of that. But it's really meant just to lean against the rim. Pretty slick deal. What I used to use is I made up these brackets here, which clamp onto the rim. And they worked okay, but the only problem is because they're a little fragile. If I drop those and bend them, then I have to recalibrate them. These seem to be pretty good. It's normally when I set up the alignment, I measure off the tires initially. And then when I get to this point, then I do the final adjustment. But this is nice because it's got a tape measure here. And the tape measure actually holds the plates in place, so you don't have to do really any extra. Right here you can see it's just under 60 inches. And just over here, it's 60 and 3/16, which is about right. So I can turn the tie rods and get instant feedback. It works out pretty slick. The tapes do sag just a little bit, but they both sag the same amount. I mean, if you want to, you can just pull on them a little bit, do each one. It doesn't matter. Toe-in is basically a guesstimate anyway. There is no exact measurement for a toe. 3/16 is what I try to go with. And that works pretty good. I'll put a link in the description of this video to these plates. If you're a Spyder owner, or if you have one of my Trikes, or if you have a motor Trike, or there's a Prowler, and then I think Hannigan's got one. I don't know what they call theirs, but, and then there's the one out of the Netherlands, the R18 thing, but yeah. I'll put the description of these plates. If you have one of those, I would recommend buying them. I mean, it's a cheap investment. You get everything you need. You don't have to buy anything. You don't have to set anything up. I actually drilled a couple holes in this one because I was going to set up a clamping device for it. Turns out I didn't need it, so it's no big deal. But they store, they don't take any room or anything. And it's just nice to check the alignment in case you hit a raccoon or a water buffalo or something. You might want to just make sure you didn't bend something. But other than that, the alignment usually doesn't have to happen very often, maybe once in a lifetime. Or if you replace a tie rod end or something, you never know. So it'd be kind of handy to have them. So I think this worked out pretty good. It's about as accurate as you can possibly get. It's just as accurate as laser alignment. And the end result is you're going to have tires that wear well. It's not going to make any difference to speak of on the way the bike handles because toe-in just really sets up tire wear. It doesn't really do much for the handling. So, and I've said that many times. So anyway, I will put it in the description, and hopefully it'll be something fun for you to ding around with, if nothing else.